presenting Nafi's Creations STEM toy, the wooden ball run with a hand-driven cam.
Nafi's creations on the street, where toys and dreams and fun meet. Building wonders big and small, a brand new place for one and all.
Kids will explore the wonders of physics by understanding gears, kinetic energy, and gravity in action. Watch as they tackle challenges and develop strong problem-solving skills, key for any future engineer. Spatial awareness takes center stage, helping kids understand how objects move and interact in space. We intentionally didn't show the detailed assembly of some parts. Discovery is a key part of the STEM toy experience. Kids should observe the photos and videos carefully and try to figure out where some of the parts go and how to assemble them. This process of exploration and discovery is essential for learning and building problem-solving skills. Using good old common sense, they'll build, test, and perfect their ball run creation. Let's jump right in and watch this fantastic learning journey unfold.
Start with separating all cutouts from the build plate and organize the parts in groups. The geared ball cradle and cam are the most complicated parts of the build, so let's tackle that first. The rest of the build is very straightforward and intuitive. For most part of the project, I used super glue, but in the cradle and cam, there is no margin of error, so I am using wood glue. It gives me enough time to align all of the parts correctly. Pay close attention to this animation. I have shown the correct assembly of the ball cradle and the cam. You can pause the video or rewind it, but before you apply glue, make absolutely sure that you have the sequence of parts in the correct order. The ball cradle has 6 parts, and there are matching gears for the cam. If you look closely, you will notice that I am installing alignment pins in the ball cradle and then applying super glue to ensure that the pins do not come loose during operation. As I go along, I keep sanding rough edges with 220 grit sandpaper. This will ensure that there are no snags during operation. At every step of the assembly, I check that all moving parts move freely. After all, a drop of super glue in the wrong spot can jam it all up. I cannot overemphasize the importance of sanding each part thoroughly. It helps run the mechanism smoothly. The rest of the build is intuitive and self-explanatory, so I will let you watch it.
Nafi's creations on the street, where toys and dreams and fun meet. Building wonders big and small, a brand new place for one and all. Science, tech, and engineering play. Every little mind can find its way. Robots, rockets, circuits glow. Dream it, build it, watch it grow. Come on, come all to Nafi's delight, where parents, kids share the same light. Free sessions, fun with every beat, creating memories that can't be beat. Shapes and gears that twist and turn, inventing gadgets, see them burn. Math and magic all combined, explore the wonders of the mind. Together we can build the sky, reach for stars, nobody shy. Imagination sparks the start, come create with all your heart. Come on, come all to Nafi's delight, where parents, kids share the same light. Free sessions, fun with every beat,
dreams and fun meet. Building wonders big and small, a brainy place for one and all. Love science, making engineering play. Every little mind can find its way. Robots, rockets, circuits glow. Dream it, build it, watch it grow. Come on, come all to Neffy's delight. Our parents, kids share the same light. Free sessions, fun with every beat. Creating memories that can't be beat. Shapes and gears that twist and turn. Inventing gadgets, see them burn. Math and magic all combined. Explore the wonders of the mind.
Although I showed you how to assemble the most critical parts of the build, I hope you enjoyed discovering on your own where all of the rest of the parts go. Your build is now complete. Discuss all of the forces of nature at play with your kid. The kinetic energy, gravity, inertia, and resistance that make the balls turn at every corner. Come back to Neffy's Creations when you are ready for another adventure. We have a lot of STEM toys for every age group.